What's up, guys? It's Rustic here. Welcome back to another episode of Raw Stocks. Just going to bring you a real quick weekend update on Tesla. Before we get started, don't forget to check out the links in the description below to the Raw Stocks trading Discord, the top step where you can try a futures funded trading combine. Currently, we do have a promotion going on. If you upgrade to premium within the Raw Stocks Discord, you use code 420 SALE. All this week, we're offering 42% off the monthly or the annual subscriptions to the Raw Stock Trading Discord premium section. Let's go ahead and jump into the chart. I got the daily chart pulled up. You can see we had that inverted fair value gap. We'd been watching that bearish fair value gap. We saw it invert last week, and then we saw us trade back down into it. That's a great opportunity to go long on a like 3 to 5 week or even longer trade, using the inverted fair value gap low as your stop loss and targeting previous highs or targeting the liquidity that sits inside that bearish fair value gap above. We got different liquidity pools from previous day highs all over the place, coming in at 178, coming in at around 180, coming in at 182, coming in at 184, right? And then we have the bearish fair value gap that goes all the way up almost to 200. So lots of liquidity to the upside. If we were looking at downside potential, we're looking at 168, and then we're looking at 164, and then we're looking at 161 being our targets to the downside. Now, again, if you take that long inside the inverted fair value gap on the daily time frame and you're looking multiple weeks out, you're running 168-ish, somewhere around there as your stop loss for that trade. Okay, then we got the equal lows down here that are a little bit suspect. So we'll just see if price wants to come back down and try to sweep those equal lows, or if price wants to head up and take that previous high and head into that fair value gap for liquidity. Let's jump into the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, in the Discord room, I had been talking that if we came back down into this 1 hour fair value gap, I'd go long. I did take a swing trade near the end of the day, and I will be looking to run that back up towards 180 if we head that way into the week. Now, my stop loss is going to be probably somewhere around 168-ish, maybe this previous low, 167.81, or maybe this previous low, 168.48. Somewhere around that area. We did get some pretty bad news as far as a rumor of layoffs with Tesla. We got the stuff going on over in the east with the missiles with Israel. So we'll see. Right now, futures is holding up all right, but that doesn't mean that by the time that the market opens, that futures hadn't started trading down, and that the market ends up opening down as well. So we'll be waiting to see. A lot's going to hinge on how the market opens. Now, if we do start to see Tesla start trading down into Monday and Tuesday, then, we got our levels. Again, we're looking probably taking out 168 if we start trading down Monday into Tuesday. And then below that, we got our old lows or our equal lows down at 160. Again, I expect that we're going to hold this fair value gap. We're going to see price run back up to where we were last week, 174, 175, 176. Right? We have a 1 hour bearish fair value gap that hasn't been closed. And so we could see that previous high 175.89 taken out, right? And then we take out this bearish fair value gap, and then we come at this order block back at 178. So we'll see. Right now we haven't set a lower low. You can see as far as structure goes on the 15-minute chart, right? We have a higher high. We move back down, right? We did not take this low. We did not take any of these lows. So we got a higher low, right? We are getting lower highs, so we are kind of just in this triangle pattern here, and we'll see if we push back up to take that 180 level, right, and set a higher high as we continue to rally up. Definitely possible, but if we break this low of 168.51, we should be heading down to break the previous low, which is 160.56. So that's all I'm going to give you guys today. Just a really quick update. Didn't want to make it long, but wanted to give you guys something to consider and look forward to as the market opens tomorrow. Good luck with your trading, and we'll see you guys in the next video.